Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigator and this is today's market update for September 8, 2020. If you look at the chart here, that's the SPY daily chart. So the last couple of days, on Friday the market has come back down. They try to push it back up, but today they will turn around and go further south. So technically the market is in the sideways correction right now. So right now at this short-term chart, you can see that the market is still continue to put it in the downside, but we have a strong support here at this level here. So tomorrow, if they slam it down here, and then they can hold up at our 50-day moving average, and then they can hold up at our buy zone here, and we're looking for some kind of rebound into the upside. And if you look at the Dow is still push it down today, but they have a support at this level here. Let's see, they were able to hold up and push it higher overnight, and the NQ would also drop below the support. So they try to stabilize here. Let's see, they were able to pick it up tomorrow. And the Russell 2000, the whole day is coming down, but they have some support here also. Let's see, tomorrow they'll be able to come back up and retest the upper trend line there. And the goal is try to break out. They go up, but they pull back down, so they try to come back and retest. If they can hold up here and make it high, they can get some room to put it upside if they be able to break out the down trend line here. The oil is coming down this morning. As you can see, they put it down here. So we have a strong support at this level and this level here. Let's see how far they want to come down, or they be able to turn around here and put it to the upside. So it depends on the market. If the market turn around, the oil can turn around too. Bond is hit coming down this morning, but they come right back up and retest the sell zone. So they have a resistance here. So if they seem like they run out of gas here, if they pull back down, the market have a chance to rebound to the upside. The euro is again weaker after they drop below the support line here. So look like but they have a strong support here. If they drop below here, they will come back here and retest the 50-day moving average again. The Bitcoin is trying to stabilize here. They try to break out, but they still have a trouble. In order for them to go higher, they need to break out and go above the moving average here to find a way to push it back up. And if you are a day trader, you can see that the whole day in the morning, the market is still going down for a whole day. Overnight, the market is coming down. Early in the morning, they put it back up, but the trend is still the downtrend. So as you can see here, when the market opened at 6:30 in the Pacific time, they pull back down. After that, they stabilize here, they put it back up right into the resistance area here, and then they slam down again. So when they slam down again, they go to the buy zone, and then they put it back up right into the sell zone, and the people take profit, and then they slam that down again until the end of the day. So I'll be able to get out of the trading room, and then after the market stabilize here, take a quick trade here for the net profit at $1,662.50 for the short-term income, and turn around looking for opportunity on the swing trading. If you're looking for a lot of stock on interpretation, it still the UBS it gets some kind of weakness here, but they still hold up pretty well. FDX, the FedEx is still ripping in the downside, but they hold very tight. And a lot of airline stock that we talking about on the weekly market forecast, they still doing very well. They still hold up very well. Even the index is going down, but Delta Airline, Southwest Airline, it still come back strong, and even the NCLS, okay, the cruise ship also try to rebound, okay, and you can see here the only thing is the banking is still have some issue. They are still in a sideways correction. They couldn't get up and continue to break out. So the banking, JP Morgan, still have a problem to get out of the resistance area here. So they have to go sideways before they can give you a clear direction before they break out and push it back up. And some stock that we're looking on the weekend, Nike it still hold up pretty well in the upside, and the let's look at you. This one here still hold up very tight there. Okay, so that's all I have for you today. So let's see tomorrow where the market heading to. So we're looking, see they're going to slam them down, one more leg out, and then they find a way to put it back up. So if you are not member of Top Navigator, please sign up with our YouTube channel. So every time we have a new video, we will alert you so that you can see where the market heading to. If you would like to learn how to do day trade to make some extra daily income, as well as a swing trade, please check out our website at stocknavigator.com for more information. Again, thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next video.